Good morning. How's your day starting? I hope yours is going as well as mine. Got in my routine, got down in the treadmill, just finished a 30-minute, basically hard walk workout. Today's a recovery day. I did hurt myself back in November, injured my left knee and quadricep, so I'm kind of on the mend. And I guess the message today is, it's not how you fall down, but it's how you get up. And yeah, it was difficult during the holidays to be immobile and have my leg in a splint for a while or in crutches, but I kind of pushed myself, said, you know what? Start slowly, start gradually, to start building some strength. You're not going to get better just sitting around feeling sorry for yourself. And so I'm on the treadmill 4 days a week. I'm lifting weights a couple days a week. Not for 2-hour sessions or even an hour session, but like this morning, just a 30-minute walk, a brisk walk. You can see I've got a hyperwear weighted vest on to kind of increase the intensity. I'm just encouraging you, no matter what your circumstance is, no matter where you've been, look forward, not backwards. Make it a great day. You get that great day started with a good workout. And it's a lot easier to get that routine going if you have something right at your fingertips in your house, whether it's a treadmill, a set of weights, a bike, elliptical, a rowing machine, but just make it a habit. And believe me, after a couple of weeks, that habit will become routine and it will result in improvements in your physical health, your mental well-being, probably even family relations. You're just going to be a happier person when you accomplish something like this every day. So go out, make it happen today, make it happen tomorrow, and create progress in yourself.